how to compound two ratios. Let's look at an example. A is to B, C is to D. We have two ratios. Now I am going to compound these two ratios. What I should do? It's very simple. How to multiply the first term of the first ratio by the first term of the second ratio, and multiply the second term of this ratio by second term of the second ratio. Then I get AC is to BD. So this is a ratio compounded of the two ratios A is to B, C is to D. So whenever you want to compound two ratios, two or more ratios, what you have to do is you have to multiply the first terms and you have to multiply the second terms and form a new ratio. The new ratio is called the ratio compounded of the given ratios. Okay, let's look at an example. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5. Now I want to compound these two ratios. So what I should do? I have to multiply the first terms. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5 is 15. So 8 is to 15. So this is a ratio compounded of these two ratios, 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5. Here both the terms of this ratio are integers and there is no any common divisor for these two terms 8 and 15. So this ratio is in simplest form. Always we have to make it sure. Whenever we get ratio as an answer for a particular problem, we have to verify these two things. Both the terms of the ratio must be integer and the ratio has to be in its simplest form. Okay, let's look at one more example. 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 5. Okay, I want to compound these three ratios. What I should do? Multiply all the first terms. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply all the second terms. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, now this is the ratio compounded of the given three ratios. But this ratio is not in its simplest form. The two terms, both the terms of the ratio are integers, but this is not in simplest form because there is a common divisor 6 for both the terms of this ratio. So we can divide both the first term and second term by 6. So it's going to be 1 is to 5. So 1 is to 5 is the ratio compounded of the three ratios 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5.